In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mind map in Clickup. Mind maps are a fantastic way to visualize your projects and tasks, helping you see the big picture while keeping track of all the smaller details. With Clickup, you can take advantage of its mind map view to organize and manage your tasks in a more intuitive visual format. Whether you're planning out a new project or simply looking to get a clearer understanding of your workflow, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Clickup workspace and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're new to Clickup, you can create an account using the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace, where all of your projects and tasks are stored. Next, select the team space that corresponds to the particular project or group you want to work on. Team spaces in Clickup serve as dedicated areas for organizing related tasks, so be sure to pick the one that aligns with the work you're focusing on today. Now, take a look at the top of your screen, where you'll find the View options. These options allow you to switch between different ways of visualizing your tasks. Click on the mind map view. If you don't see it immediately, check the right-hand side of the screen or look for it under a drop-down menu. It's there, and it's worth finding. Once you're in the mind map view, you'll be prompted to choose the layout you want. For this tutorial, select the Task option. This will create a mind map based on your existing folders, lists, and tasks within the selected team space. It's a quick way to turn your structured data into a visually engaging diagram. Now you'll see your project structure displayed as a branching diagram. This is your mind map, and it gives you a clear visual overview of how your tasks are organized. You can start exploring this diagram right away by expanding the nodes. Simply click the arrows next to each item to reveal subtasks and additional details. This feature allows you to drill down into the specifics of your project while keeping everything connected. Feel free to interact with the diagram by clicking around different nodes. This will help you explore the connections and dependencies between tasks. It's a great way to uncover how different parts of your project are interrelated and identify potential bottlenecks or areas of focus. As you work, you might notice areas where your project structure could be improved. You can reorganize or refine your lists and tasks directly from the mind map view. Whenever you make changes, the diagram will update automatically, so you always have the most accurate representation of your project. Finally, use this visual layout to your advantage. The mind map is perfect for identifying task dependencies, setting priorities, and understanding your overall project structure. With this clear visual perspective, you'll be better equipped to manage your workload and keep your projects on track. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the mind map view in Clickup to organize and visualize your tasks. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.